Welcome to the Budgeting Saves Lives course. My name is Nia. I'll be your CLO, Chief Learning Officer. Thank you for choosing me to help you master your methods when it comes to money. I'm here to help you. I'm here to throw the water while you're running a marathon. This is a highly developed 4-week program that educates and enlightens individuals about money matters. This course focuses on the beliefs and mindsets that drive your money decisions, mastering the skills and strategies of budgeting, analyzing and correcting spending habits while fine-tuning the art of saving. All right, are you ready? As for me, I am a published author, certified financial education instructor, and public speaker. I'm the owner and founder of Perspectives. I help individuals go from struggling and stressed to empowered about their finances so they can achieve financial freedom. I also teach parents creative ways to introduce personal finance concepts to their children. My goal is to make money a part of the conversation. So let's discuss the course. So, the Budgeting Saves Lives course, first module is called Mind Control. This module focuses on the mental part of money. It starts with you. You know, I can talk till I'm blue in the face, but it takes you to be a part of the process. So the purpose of this module is to identify your current relationship with money and prepare you for the work ahead. Then we go into the second, called Budgeting Works. Now, Budgeting Works, you're going to do some work. This module breaks down budgeting to the simplest form. You discover what a budgeting lifestyle looks like for you, and you learn how to make some of the strategic budgeting decisions that are necessary. Now, I want to pause and say, budgeting gets a really bad rep. However, it's the basis of personal finance. If you have struggled with budgeting before, guess what? This course is for you. Many times we feel like it's okay, like, oh, I'll just keep my budget in my head. That's not okay. Let me be the first to tell you that's not. I'm saving you all the time and energy of researching and watching hundreds of videos. I've taken all of my experience, all of my knowledge and resources, and I've crammed them into this course to help you secure the bag. So let me help you. This course is jam-packed with information and worksheets to help you along the way, with me right there cheerleading alongside you. There is a private Facebook community that will be created where you'll get access to me to ask all of the questions that you like, and you'll get a group of others who are right alongside you, okay? Remember, this is a marathon. It is not a race. I personally designed and curated these worksheets to help supplement your learning and to provide that extra push you need to make sure that you really grasp the concepts that's presented to you. Many times people fail at budgeting, and they say, oh, budgets don't work, because a lot of times you're looking at cookie cutter solutions that are not specific to you. That's just like when you go shopping and you see an outfit on a mannequin and you're like, oh, that looks nice. Like, okay, I like that. And then you get to the fitting room and it tells you a completely different story. Well, budgeting is the same way. There's no cookie cutter solution. You have to figure what works for you. And that's what this course is about. Your budgeting, it's the same exact way. Okay. So module 3, you start to go into a deep dive into your spending habits. This module will help you discover both where they started and how to break them down and get rid of them. That's the goal, right? But you have to figure out where they started from in order to break them. The last and final module helps you fine-tune your saving strategies, catapulting your savings and empowering you with sowing the seeds to your own success, all right? That's the point. Now, this is a 4-week course. There are 4 modules. It's designed for 1 module per week, but you are welcome to go at your own pace and complete them as you wish. So click the link. Get started today. Why are you still listening to me? Let's get to the money.